Hey there sailors, in this video I'm going to show you how you can make healing potions in Windrose. Now there is a material that we are going to need first before we begin trying to craft any alchemical potions. If you check over to your J and over to discovery right here, you're going to need to find the Misty Orchid right here. Once you press down on it, it will unlock the blueprints for making the alchemy table and the stove and pot. Once you've discovered the Misty Orchid, you will know the recipes to make the clay pot, the alchemical base, this is the most important one, and then you'll be able to make the homeward journey, a minor healing potion, and an elixir of cruelty. Now for the description for the Misty Orchid, this is often found near ruins and it pretty much blooms at night and rarely seen during the day. And make sure to take note of the description that says doesn't grow in the foothills. And thankfully, when you're trying to look for this at night, it does make a sound that helps you to track it down. Now currently it's not nighttime right now, but there is some Misty Orchids that I found right here. You can pretty much find this in any map that is inside the coastal jungles. Now press down E to collect them, and make sure to store them in your inventory until you make the alchemy table. Alright, now back over to my base. If you press down B on your keyboard, press down right click to choose a building, go over to alchemy section right here and find the alchemy table. This will require you to use at least 5 pieces of wood and 2 pieces of clay pots. And clay pots are pretty easy to make. You can just make them over on the normal workbench, and pretty much only using 1 piece of clay, you should be able to make 1 clay pot. Now once you got all of the materials, make sure to read the description as well that this allows you to make potions and elixirs, but it does require a roof and only works within the bonfire range. Now once you have the alchemy table, press down E to use it. And the first thing that you are going to need is the clay bottle right here. Make sure to have a copious amount of clay with you so you can make a lot of healing potions. And the next thing that you're going to need is the alchemical base. This is where the Misty Orchid will come into play. Once you make the alchemical base, you'll be able to make the healing potions that I've mentioned. Now I'm just going to make at least 10 of these, just to be safe. Then press F to take all, and I should be able to make the minor healing potion right here. But there are also some healing potions right here, where you are using some undead essence and the same alchemical base, along with another healing potion right here that uses the healing herbs. But it does require a level 2 station for you to do it. So I'm just going to make some minor healing potions right over here. Let me just make 2. And that's pretty much about it on how to make healing potions in Windrose.